This is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Volkswagen Polo, stock reference number 5846. This shape ran from 05 2010 to 05 2014. It is a CGGB 4-cylinder 1.4 litre petrol engine backed by an auto front wheel drive transmission. Here we have our CGGB 4-cylinder 1.4 litre petrol engine. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 15-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 15-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 15-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, folded underneath the handle, good private. Right hand mirror. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 15-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console, gear stick, heat AC controls, stereo head unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy vinyl steering wheel.